Why is my dog making weird noises? It's normal for a dog to make weird noises, especially when they're excited or scared. Dogs are very expressive animals, and they communicate with each other through body language and vocalizations. When you see your dog barking, whining, growling, or making any other sound that seems out of the ordinary, it's important to try to understand what they're trying to say. If your dog is barking or whining excessively at night, it could be because they're lonely and need some human attention. If your dog is growling when you come home from work or school every day, it could mean that they've been left alone too long and are feeling anxious while waiting for you to return. There are a lot of reasons why your dog might be making weird noises. 1. If it's a little yelp, and they're not in pain or distress, then it could be because they've spotted something new and exciting that they want to investigate. 2. If it's a funny, high-pitched sound, then they could be trying to communicate with you that they need your attention. 3. If the noise is low-pitched and drawn out, then they may be indicating pain or discomfort in an area of their body that you can't see, like if their paw is hurting them while they're running around outside. 4. If you hear sort of like a woofing sound coming from your dog's mouth, like when you blow through a straw but with more air, then this could mean that your dog is just happy. Or at least excited about something, maybe even a little nervous. 5. If your dog starts making strange noises when other dogs are nearby or when there's lots of activity going on around them, like when people are walking by, then this could mean that your pup is feeling territorial about his or her space. Whatever the reason, here are 5 other reasons that your dog might be making weird noises. 1. They're bored and need a new toy. 2. They want to go outside and play with their friends. 3. They want to go for a walk or run around in the backyard for a bit before bedtime. 4. They're hungry. Feed them a treat or two, they deserve it, and see if that gets them back to normal behavior. 5. Your dog is trying to tell you something, maybe another animal has entered the yard, or perhaps there's a squirrel outside that's bothering him or her. If so, go look at what's going on and make sure it's safe for your pooch. 6. You've been gone too long, and they miss you. Hope this video helped. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also check top right of the screen for more interesting videos.